You might not be familiar with the faces, but if you listen radio, you know, so this is one of the biggest songs right now.
Girl, you got me feeling some kind of way. Got me saying things that I never get to say. Oh yes. Girl, you got me feeling some kind of way. Some kind of way that I can't explain. Yeah.
Pull up. Yeah, one of the most unique voices and sounds in the business right now. Third Eye, introduce yourself for me, please.
Well, I'm Kuro's lead singer, songwriter.
Well, I'm Troy, instrumentalist.
Mario Moreto, instrumentalist and singer.
I just want to ask you everything about that song. Yeah.
Some boy and trees still. I don't know, people might not believe still, but it's like one Sunday I'm in the kitchen, cut up some chicken and them thing there, you see me? And the boy was out there and on the veranda and him just a play around, I try to find something and I say, oh, I hear something, so I say, alright, I did the whole melody and I say, I have to just left what I do with raw chicken for me and everything, run go on the veranda and I say, yo, I could just record a little thing and see if we can work with it from this on. Most of the times, I'm not enough to write songs anymore. I used to write songs, but I just freestyle and just structure.
You got me listening love songs. You got me writing them down. You got my mind on you. Got me doing things that I never get to do.
Talk to me now in terms of how the group actually came together.
It's like him with a merge with my songwriter bridge and I say, yo, they want a singer for link with, isn't me?
Yeah.
Meanwhile, they might tell me link with Chris. Yeah, Chris I'm a songwriter bridge in CMA. Isn't me? So he might tell me about them and they might tell me about isn't me?
Yeah.
So everybody I hear about the one another, but we never know say yo this a man we know each other already.
Yeah.
Isn't me? So we never know each other now. This man now like is another bridge me know him too.
Yeah.
And then know me him meet them, try meet them, Chris, everybody. So me was the last person to meet him because